In this tutorial, I will teach you how to delete your Janitor AI account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Janitor AI, you can use the link down there in the video description below and you may get rewards and discount upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing you need to do is to go to your icon right here on the top right corner and click that, and as you can see, if you scroll down you can see settings right here. So just click settings, and under settings just scroll down until you find delete account right here. So it's kind of small but you can see it, so just click delete profile. And after you click delete profile, as you can see, you will need to make sure that you made up your mind before deleting your account because it's not reversible. So after you made up your mind, just click delete and your account will automatically be logged out in your Janitor AI website. And yeah, that's how you delete your account. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.